Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how ultra-durable elephant leather briefcases are crafted step by step.
Through careful conditioning, we ensure the leather achieves peak durability and flexibility, essential for our executive briefcases.
Every briefcase is assembled with reinforced stitching to ensure decades of reliable use.
Every briefcase is thoroughly inspected before leaving the facility.
Bring that pallet right here. Watch the clearance. Watch the clearance. Copy that. Almost there.
And that's how ultra-durable elephant leather briefcases are crafted, briefcases, from raw material to executive masterpiece.
Welcome to the future of craftsmanship, where every cut is deliberate. We blend tradition with advanced manufacturing to ensure premium quality.